Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be removing the wheels so that we can get them powder coated. I mean, like, the day's starting to get a little nicer, so I think it's time to start getting things in motion to get this car ready to be taken out for the season. I think what I'm gonna do now is just get the wheels off and bring them to the powder coat shop, and I'll show you where that is and where it's located, and show you who's going to be doing it when I get to that point. So I'm just going to be taking the wheels off now, and yeah, let's get to it. Today I pumped up, and gas prices are crazy. It was $2.05 today. Freaking crazy. That's one side. Alright, so we got the wheels off. The car is now on jack stands, and we're going to head out. So these are the wheels that we're going to be doing today.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy.
Hot shit, that's super hot.
Alright, so we're here. I'm gonna just go in quickly and talk to him and drop my wheels off. Alright, so the wheels are dropped off. Like I said, the guy's pretty chill, super chill dude. The quality of work that's in there is really, it's top notch from what I could see. We'll see once we actually get the wheels back. But like, once again, we're at Elite Powder Coating and Paint. I'm pretty excited, man. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So when I get them back, we'll resume from there. All right. Hey everyone, welcome back. So it's been about a week, and I'm currently back at the shop to pick up the wheels. So we're just gonna go in and check out the wheels and see how they came out. All right, so these things are done. Take a look at them. Whew. Is it? Oh, I see. Are those the tires? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, cool. They look pretty good. We're just getting the tires put back on the rims, and yeah, we'll set up with them and we'll be on our way back to the house. So we're just currently waiting for the tires to be put back on the wheels, and yeah, man, they look really good. Can't wait to get them back home and put them on the car. But take a look at it. Let's see. Okay, like yesterday, we're positive. Now we're negative. This weather, man. Guess that's what living in Ontario's like. The weather just changes. But, I mean, there's maybe around April it'll be like consistently warm. So, I mean, can't wait for that.
Nice to meet you, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. I know I do better work.
Got more done.
I do better work than this for sure.
Good. Don't worry, man. We're gonna get more.
Yeah. Glad you like it.
Good, yeah.
What are you gonna do? You gonna do other stuff, dude? Like, are you gonna do like automotive parts, engine wise?
Yeah. Well, the car's already kind of built a little bit.
Yeah.
I plan to do like a little bit of a livery with the car.
Yeah.
So hence why they're playing. So you said a couple of things. You gave me a couple of ideas.
Yeah. I'm telling you, dude. Black lug nuts, white lug nuts on the other side.
Yeah. Maybe I'll send this when you're ready to do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, but dude, yeah, it looks sick, man. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Take care.
Have a good day, man.
Yeah. We'll be in touch. The Audi Mississauga dealership, just picking up a couple things. And yo, check this out. I'm just gonna zoom in. I should almost go inside just to see it, but I'm kind of busy today, so I guess we'll do that another time. But how dope is that? I'm gonna try and get these wheels on, put the car on the ground, and I'm going on a skiing trip. So when I get back from that, I'll pull the car out and do like a full review. Hey guys, so made it to the ski hill and we're here as a family, just having a good time at Blue Mountain. My daughter's first time snowboarding, which is kind of cool. No, it's cool. Yeah, and she actually picked it up pretty quickly. But yeah, that's the hill up there. And we rented a B&B, so stop. But yeah, man, should be a good time. It's kind of cold, but yeah, I'm happy I'm here. And I'm finally back. We're finally actually getting beautiful weather. I haven't been able to see what the wheels look like on this car outside of the garage, so what we're gonna do is pull it out. Now the car hasn't been started for like about 2 weeks. I started every now and then, but since we're gonna be pulling out, it'll be a good chance to start it and get it running. And
looks really sick. All right, here you go. It totally transforms the car from what I'm used to. Oh, whew. So the plan is to try to design a livery and come up with something, but man, it looks real cool. Really happy with it. Shout out to Elite Powder Coating. Definitely, I'm gonna put his description in the video. You can see it down below if it's finally done, but the results speaks for themselves. Looks sick. As always, thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.